Hi, my name is Noah Gift, and you may have asked yourself, what is GitHub Codespaces? Well, I'm about to show you in under 90 seconds. Let's go ahead and get started. Hey, here we go. We have GitHub Codespaces. There's an overview. In a nutshell, you can edit inside your browser. Let's go ahead and go over to GitHub. I'm going to create a new repo, and we'll call this GitHub Codespaces. So GitHub Codespaces. Here we go. And from here, I'm just going to make a README file, create the repo. That's step one. Step two is, now that I've created this repository, I'm going to go to code here, go to Codespaces, launch a new Codespace. So it creates a whole environment for me that's dedicated to developing code for my project. And what's really nice about it is you have a one-to-one relationship with the code that you're writing. In addition, it's got all the things that you would care about. So for example, if I go through here and make this a little bit bigger and drag this down, one of the cool things is that I can do Python development, which is one of my favorite languages. So let's go ahead and get started. Notice it asked for my Pyland setup. We've got it all set up here. And if I go in and I say touch hello, just like this, touch hello, I can go ahead and build some Python code. Let's say prints hello world. There we go, launch it, type it, Python hello, great. Also, it's integrated with the GitHub environment, so I can just add code. I can go ahead and push it. We'll just say git add hello. Let's go ahead and commit this thing, push it. Now that I've pushed that code, I go back here, go to my repository, and now that code exists. So really, in a nutshell, GitHub Codespaces is your friend if you want to develop inside of GitHub.